In this case, f of x is shown using s to draw the derivative, which is really just a plot of the slopes. So we'll find our zero slopes and trace them over to our derivative graph. I have one at 0, one over here, and one over here. Now we'll look to see when our slope is positive. So here and here. So to the left of the first 0, and between the second and third zeros, I have positive slope. Similarly, this is negative slope, and that's negative slope. So it'll be negative in here. And the only other thing that we might want to know is when is the slope at a maximum? It looks like I've got the maximum positive slope here, halfway between those zeros, and the minimum or most negative slope halfway between those zeros. So now I can connect my dots. Here is a graph of the derivative of that original function.